This WordPress tutorial is going to walk you through how to create a favicon for your website. And favicon is just a term that refers to a favorites icon. So it's the little image that you see up here in your navigational bars, and it's also the image you would see in a bookmarks folder if you were looking at a bookmarked list of sites. It's the little image that shows up next to the web link. And with all of the installations completed by WordPress Install Express, we include a plugin that makes it really simple to set and change your favicon. So if you scroll down to the settings navigation and drop down to the list of available options, you want to click on S Simple Favicon. That stands for Shockingly Simple Favicon, and it's a fantastic plugin. It's one of our favorites. So basically what you need to know is on this page, we're going to create our favicon, then we're going to upload it and plug the URL of where our favicon is located right here, and then we're going to change the admin favicon, if you want, to blog. But for right now, there is a site that they recommend. It's favicon.ico generator, and you're more than welcome to use this particular website to create your favicon. However, I really prefer to use WebScript Labs favicon generator, and I will include a link to this below this video, or if you're watching this on YouTube, you can look for the link in the video description. So what we're going to do is select an image from our hard drive, and in this case I already have an icon picked out from a free icon set I downloaded off the internet. And I'll also include links along with the link to the WebScript Lab website to several places that you can go and find free icon sets that you may want to use for your website. So we're going to hit Browse and select the image that we want to use. And we want to make sure that the size is 16 by 16. And then we're going to hit Generate. And with this particular favicon creator, the background is transparent. So you can kind of see here in the WebScript Labs favicon that the background is a white square versus the WordPress favicon where it's just the WordPress and there's no white. So with this favicon creator, when it creates our download, it's going to give it a transparent background. So when it's generated your icon, hit download and you'll see it right here. So what you want to do is right click and save the image to a folder on your computer. In this case, I've just saved it to my desktop. And then what I want to do is come up to the media navigation. I want to drop down and I want to add a new image. So what I'm going to do is select a file and select the file, the icon that I just created. So I'm going to give it just a second to upload. And then if I scroll down, there's a file URL right here at the bottom of the upload information that tells us where this file is located on our server or on our directory. So what I want to do is I'm going to copy that information, come back to the Shockingly Simple Favicon screen, and I am going to paste that URL into the favicon URL box. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to change the admin favicon, which is what's going to show up in our admin bar when I'm in the back end of WordPress, to just make the same icon that the rest of my blog is going to have. So I am going to click Save Changes, and this should, if we go and we open up my site, now my icon is now my favicon. So let's go back and refresh this page, and you'll see that the WordPress icon has been replaced with the icon that I created.